Hello guys, this is Manogar here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I'm going to talk about in this part 2 series of how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now, I would request you to hit the subscribe button if you really like my content and hit the bell notification to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Now, why am I talking about email marketing on my YouTube channel? This is because email marketing is the most simplest form of making money online and the most consistent profit generating online business model. And with that being said, let's get straight into today's topic. Now, let's recap what we have talked about in the part one of this training series. So, in the part one of the training series, we discussed about the various tools we need to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. So there are basically three different types of tools that we will need, like in the funnel building category, in the autoresponders, and in the third-party tracking software. So under funnel builder, we require lead pages, and under autoresponders, we require AWeber, Getresponse, and System.io. And the third and the most important tool that we are going to talk about is the third-party tracking software, which is called Optin Dojo. Now, why Optin Dojo is the central command system, which I explained in the part one of this series, training series. Now, Optin Dojo is going to integrate the whole entire system with lead pages, with the autoresponders, and with the different affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Explode Lead. Now, you can always refer to the link in the description box below for the different tools like lead pages, AWeber, and Optin Dojo to know more about their pricing plans. Now, let's look at our business in a holistic manner from an eagle's eye point of view. So, the first part of our online business is going to be the solo ads. So in this tutorial series, I'm going to recommend you the top 3 sources of solo ads. And when you purchase the solo ads, then it goes straight into the squeeze page. Squeeze page is nothing but an opt-in page where you're going to collect the email address and the names of the traffic. And from there, it goes straight to the bridge page, which is a pre-sell page, which is nothing but a pre-selling the offer to the sales offer page. Now, both squeeze page and the bridge page are designed through our funnel building software, which is lead pages. From bridge page, it goes straight to the sales offer page, which is nothing but the affiliate offer which we are promoting. From the squeeze page, it also goes straight to the email autoresponder where the email addresses and email names are collected. Now, the email autoresponders which we are going to use are AWeber, Getresponse, and System.io. Now, AWeber, I would recommend you to go for the AWeber Pro plan as it will avoid the double opt-in. And for Getresponse, it's free for 30 days and then from there you will be billed. And System.io is going to be free perpetually for up to 2,000 contacts. Now, you can always refer to the link in the description box below in order to get access to this AWeber software, AWeber, Getresponse, and System.io plans. Now, from the email autoresponder, 2 things can happen. Either you can send the email automation or email broadcast. So, you can send the email broadcast either to the original sales offer, which we are trying to promote through the affiliate link, or you can send the emails to another sales offer, which is going to be a different affiliate product. So this is going to be the front end part of our online business. Now in this front end, whenever people purchase the low ticket offers, which is nothing but less than $20, then they go straight into this bias list C. So this is where the real magic happens. So bias list C are proven buyers and they are not free seekers. So they have bought the low ticket offers for some kind of training methods or softwares. So they are going to be the mass consumers of our system. Now from this bias list C, we are going to promote big ticket offers to build our buyers list B. So buyers list B is going to be our privileged customers, and from there we are going to build our buyers list A through high ticket offers. So buyers A will be our VIP customers, where they are going to purchase products in thousands of dollars, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, even 20, 30,000. And so we are always going to promote the high ticket offers to the buyers list A and not the low ticket offers to the buyers list A. So this whole system of buyers list C to buyers list A is going to be managed by the third-party tracking software, which is Optin Dojo. So Optin Dojo is going to be the tool that will segment buyers list C, buyers list B, and buyers list A, who are going to make up 80% of the money that we are going to make through online business. In this email marketing business, guys, remember that we should always not look into the money made in the front end of our online business, because most of the money is made in the back end, which is why they say the money is in the list, but the real money is in the buyer's list. So we always need to test different offers through email automations, email broadcast, and build our buyer's list C, B, and A. And from there, we can check our backend metrics and test different offers. And from there, we can scale it to the next level. So now you have the whole idea of how this online marketing business works in a holistic manner. So in the upcoming training series, I'm going to discuss about the individual softwares, like how to navigate into each and every software, and how to build the bridge pages, how to build the squeeze pages, and also how to set up the email automation in the email autoresponders, and also the third-party tracking software. Now, for those guys who are really interested in building an online business, and who want to really quit their 9-to-5 job and really live the life of their dreams, then I would seriously suggest you to look into this program called Passive Income Profits by my mentor Ben from Singapore. Now you can click on the link in the description box below, my top recommended mentorship program, to reach this page. Now in this page, welcome to Passive Income Profits, you can scroll down and see the 3 levels of mentorship program available. The first one is Beginners Club, $97 USD. Second one is Star Club, $1997 US. And the last and the final one is the Inner Circle, $6997 US one time. So when you click on the check curriculum for the Beginners Club, you can scroll down and see the different videos available for this on 4 different strategies which is covered. The first one is email marketing. The second one is the social media marketing. The third one is the paid ad success secrets. And the fourth one is course creation success secrets. So you have different videos under these topics, and this is a do-it-yourself program where you can watch these videos and learn on your own and try the online business on your own. So you have everything you need to start building your passive income online business. Now the next one is the Star Club, which is $1997 US. And here, this is for those guys who are in the intermediate and advanced level of affiliate marketing. So in this, you have an up-to-date strategy update on email marketing, paid ads, social media marketing, and course creation success secrets. So in this, you can have one-time weekly group Zoom coaching session of minimum of 60 minutes, and you can get personal Facebook Messenger access to get your questions answered in less than 12 hours. Now, the final one and the most important one is the Inner Circle program. Now, why is this $6997 US? Now, why is the price so high for the Inner Circle? Guys, just listen. This is the promise that has been given by the mentor for this Inner Circle program, which is in order to help you to make $5,000 in profit consecutively for 3 months. That is the time commitment that the mentor is giving you in order to achieve your online success. And with that, you also get one-on-one Zoom coaching session every week, and it's going to be a minimum of 60 minutes. And you can always ask many number of questions and you will be answered. Guys, just listen. This type of time commitment and your promise of achieving your online business success, no other marketer gives. With that being said, please don't enroll directly into this program by clicking on the Enroll Now button. First, click on the Check Curriculum and always book a Zoom session, complimentary Zoom session before you enroll into this program. Why? Because you always need to have a one-on-one Zoom session with Ben in order to know your goals, aspirations, your time commitment, and most importantly, the budget, so that if it's well suitable and for Ben and whether you can achieve your online success with help of Ben. So always book a Zoom session first and then go on from there. So guys, if you're really serious about your online business, then click on the link in the description box below and enroll into this Passive Income Profits Inner Circle program in order to achieve your online success. Come along with this and let's succeed online together. If you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification in order to receive the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. This will really help me to put out additional videos and informational videos that will help you along with your online journey. With that being said, let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.